Hey guys, just thought I would let you know, I just realized while I was editing this, I have no eyebrows on. I still don't. I totally forgot to put eyebrows on. I'm sorry. So this whole video, you're going to be looking at me with like a full face and no brows, looking a little bit odd. But anyway, hope you enjoy. Hi guys, welcome back. So today I am doing a Shoppers Drug Mart haul. If you want to see what I got at Shoppers Drug Mart on clearance, just keep watching. First product is this perfume. It is the Vanilla Fields perfume. I got it for $12. It regularly is $21.95. There's a second one. I've already pulled it out and put it on my little perfume thing. I love the smell of vanilla. That is for sure one of my favorite scents. Okay, so first off, I got a lot of number 7 products, which is a higher end in Shoppers Drug Mart, so it's kind of, I don't even know what to compare it to, but it's like a course, almost. I don't know, it's similar. Anyway, this is number 7 Beautiful Skin Oil-Free Eye Makeup Remover. Now, you will see a video of comparing this to my Clean and Clear, and I will post that soon, so look out for that. But this is the makeup remover, and I got it for $10. Next is a Yes to Cucumbers product. This is Sensitive Skin Daily Calming Moisturizer, and this was on clearance for $4. When I see things on clearance, I have a hard time like walking past it, especially if it is skincare, because I am a skincare junkie. I love skincare, and I want to try all of the things to see what'll keep me looking young for the longest time. I don't know. Anyway, I got this. Next is a Nip and Fab product. If you did see in my favorites, I really do like this brand. It was on clearance as well for $5. This is the Skin Softening Moisturizer for skin with superfoods, kale, and watercress. It is a moisturizer. So, I like Nip and Fab, so I thought I would give their moisturizer a try, because I really like this same kale and watercress makeup remover pads, which were in my favorites. So I thought, why not give this a shot, right? I love the matte packaging too. It's very cute. My skincare regime in the daytime needs to go up for sure. Because my nighttime, I have a really good nighttime regime, I think. But daytime, I'm lucky if I remember to like tone my skin and then put a moisturizer on. I forget all the time. Next few products were on clearance, and they're all number 7. So this is the number 7 Beautiful Skin Tint Parfait Melting Gel Cleanser for normal to dry skin. One simple step to perfectly clean, supple skin. Hyperallergenic. This is the tube. It's a decent sized tube. We have 24, nope, I'm wrong, sorry. 5 fluid ounces in this cleanser. And it does have a safety seal, which is excellent, which means it hasn't been tampered with. Now, this beautiful skin cleanser was $4.99. Next, I almost returned this because I was like, that's not a very good price. But this is the number 7 Beautiful Skin Tint Parfait Radiance Exfoliator for normal to dry skin. Reveals smoother, brighter looking skin. Hypoallergenic. So you can see it has like little beads inside, which is good for like once a month. This little tube though was $12.99, like compared to like $4.99 for that cleanser. I don't know, I was like, are you worth it? I don't know. It does have a safety seal, so it hasn't been tampered with either. I haven't decided whether this is worth it or not because I'm trying to lean more towards chemical exfoliants opposed to granular exfoliants, because this will leave like little tiny cuts on your skin, and that's not what I want. But then I don't know, because then there's like needling people do, and that's leaving like little tiny holes. So what's the difference between little tiny cuts and little tiny holes on your skin that you can't see? You know what I mean? So I don't really know whether I want to keep this or not. I still don't think it's a great deal. So I'm gonna have to think about that, because you can get an exfoliant like this for cheaper than that. So I'm probably gonna take it back because it wasn't really worth it. Next was the biggest box from number 7. This is the Beautifully Skin Tint Parfait Hot Cloth Cleansing Spa. All skin types reveal softer, radiant, hydrated, clean skin, hypoallergenic. This retailed for $6.49. You see what I mean? This little thing was twice as much as this little thing. This is definitely going back. I don't think that's worth $12. Okay, so this is a like cleansing system, which I'm super excited about. Like, who doesn't want to give themselves one of these hot cloth spa treatments, right? So as you can see, it does have like the little safety piece inside, so it hasn't been tampered with, and it's a very thick cream, and then it comes with a muslin cloth. So directions say, where are your directions? Okay, for best results, close your eyes using your fingertips, gently massage over dry skin in circular motions. Run the muslin cloth under comfortably hot water, wringing out the excess, and place cloth over your face to open pores. Then use the cloth to lightly polish off the cleanser. To finish, splash your face with cool water to close pores and pat dry. Avoid contact with eyes. If product gets into eyes, rinse well, warm, da 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 da. So, I'm kind of excited to try this out. Always a good idea to have clean skin. Now, you want to know how much I saved? I saved $62.46. I paid less than I saved, so can't go wrong there. I love clearance items. Anyway, that's everything I got at Shoppers Drug Mart. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next one.